One of the biggest mistakes beginner traders make is not using the wrong strategy. Rather, it is trading the wrong currency pair. Think about this. You spend months learning technical analysis, you learn market structure, you learn risk management, you learn trading psychology, and then you open your chart and you are trying to trade 20 different currency pairs at the same time. You trade Euro USD, you trade GBP USD, you trade gold, you trade USD JPY, you trade even Nasdaq, and so on. Before you know it, you are completely confused. Normally, you are seeing setups everywhere, both the good setups and the bad setups. You miss the best setups because you are watching too many charts, and eventually your trading becomes inconsistent. So here is the big question: what forex pair should you trade the most? Should you focus on one pair, two pairs, three pairs, or should you trade everything that moves? So in this video, I'll answer that question. I'll explain why professional traders often specialize in just few markets. I will help you to decide which pair is best for your trading style. Now let's get started. So let me ask you this question. Is there one best forex pair? The short answer is completely no. There is not one currency pair that is perfect for everyone. If someone tells you that Euro USD is the best pair or gold is the only thing you should trade, they are just oversimplifying things. Every market has its own personality. Some pair move slowly, some pair moves aggressively. Some respect technical analysis better during certain market conditions. The goal is not to find the perfect pair. Rather, the goal is to find a pair that fits your strategy, and then you now master it inside and out. So let's talk about why trading too many pairs is a mistake. Imagine you are trying to learn 5 different languages at the same time. You want to learn English, you want to learn French, German, Spanish, Chinese. Could you eventually learn them? Maybe you can learn them, but it will take much longer time. Now imagine focusing on just one or two languages. You will become fluent much faster. Trading is exactly the same. Every currency pair behaves differently. When you focus on one or two pairs, you begin to understand how they move, you notice their habits, you recognize how they react during news, you become familiar with their volatility, and so on. Now let me tell you how to choose your pair. So instead of asking, what is the best pair? Ask yourself these questions. Does this pair you are saying is the best pair suit my trading strategy? Does it move during the time I'm available to trade? Am I comfortable with the volatility of this pair? Are the spread of this pair reasonable? Can I consistently understand the price action of this pair? These questions are much more important than following what everyone else is trading. So another question is, how do you answer this question you asked yourself? For me, you can only answer these questions by backtesting and forward testing that pair. So backtesting is checking the previous price data, while forward testing is following the live market to know whether that's your strategy is working well in that pair. So this is how I choose the pair I'm currently trading. First of all, I'll go to ChatGPT or any other AI you are using and search for the most traded instrument. So this instrument will include both forex pairs, metals, crypto spots, and so on. The reason I use ChatGPT or any other AI is for me not to miss or forget any pair. So after adding them to my watch list, I will now start to backtest them one after another. Another thing I do is that I ensure that I backtest each of them by strictly following the rules of my strategy. This is very, very important. So after backtesting each pair, I will record the result I got. I will record how many wins, I will record how many losses, and which market session do I see set up mostly on that pair. So this result will now help me to choose the good pairs. After backtesting all pairs, then I will delete the ones that did not have significant results. So what I do next is that I forward test those pairs that I choose from backtesting. So this forward testing will now help me to reduce the pair more, and now I will now have the best pairs that obeys my strategy very well. So this is completely how I choose the pairs I'm trading. I don't choose pair because it is trending or it is working for my mentor, or I see a particular pair working for someone else. So if you are a beginner trader or you are still struggling to find consistency in trading, just listen to this. The best Forex pair is not the one with the biggest movement. It is the one you understand the most. Professional traders don't succeed because they know every market. They succeed because they know their markets very, very well. So instead of chasing every opportunity, just choose one or two pairs, become an expert in them, master their behavior, and let consistency grow from there. If there is one thing I want you to remember from this video, it is this: you don't need to trade every currency pair to become profitable. Sometimes mastering just one or two pairs is all you need. Focus on quality over quantity and let your experience with those markets become your edge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.